Waste management service in Eagan, Minnesota. Looking for reliable waste management service in Eagan, Minnesota? Done Right Dumpsters offers fast, affordable, and convenient waste management solutions for residential and commercial projects. Whether you're tackling a home renovation, cleaning out your garage, or managing a construction site, we've got the perfect dumpster for your needs. Our dumpsters come in a variety of sizes, making it easy to choose the one that fits your project size and waste disposal requirements. From small dumpsters for minor cleanups to large dumpsters for extensive renovations, we've got you covered. We make the process simple with same-day or next-day delivery and flexible rental periods. At Done Right Dumpsters, we pride ourselves on our customer service. Our team is dedicated to making your dumpster rental experience hassle-free. We offer straightforward pricing with no hidden fees, so you can budget with confidence. Our easy online ordering and prompt, professional service ensure your project stays on track without delays. Serving Eagan, Minnesota, Done Right Dumpsters is your local choice for waste removal. Whether you need a dumpster for a single day or a week, we provide reliable, on-time service every time. Call us today at 612-403-5999 to schedule your dumpster rental and get started on your next project.